Hi guys, welcome you all. Today we discuss about ledger books. What is ledger books? Then specimen of ledger books and then example of the ledger books. What is ledger books? Ledger book is a principle of accounting books. It is related to the business accounts. It is used to record, classify and summarize financial transactions. It shows the credit and debits accounts. The ledger book is also called book of final entry. Then we discuss about specimen of the ledger book. Specimen of the ledger book. Debit account, credit account. Debit account date, particular, JF amount. JF means journal folio. Then credits account also same like date, particular, journal folio and then amount. Here the debits account we add two account to be added and then amount of the two account to be added, and then same like in the credit account as buy account to be added and then the amount of the buy account to be added in the creditor account. There we have a two account and buy account. In our journal book has a two account that is inserted into a debit account, that is a two account, and then the main account is a buy account to be added in a creditor side. Then we discuss about the example of the ledger book. This is the journal book. Then only we move to the ledger book. Here we have a LF in the journal book. This is a ledger folio, and then he has the cash account and two capital account. Here the cash account is a buy account of used in a creditor side, two account is used in a debitor side. First we take a cash account. This is a ledger book. We already discussed before the specimen of the ledger book, the structure. This is the debitor side and this is the creditor side. The first is the cash account. Here we have a cash account is a main account. Then write two accounts in the debitor side. So first we write cash account, then two Thor capital account write in the debitor side, two Thor capital account rupees 2 lakh. Then we write 2 lakh in amount. Then we check another cash account in the main. There's a to write two sales account in the debit side. So two sales account rupees 1,70,000. 1,70,000. Then we move to the creditor side and check the here cash account buy. So write a buy. Check whether the cash account is here. The bank account is there. So we write in a creditor side buy bank account rupees 1,50,000. So write 1,50,000. Then check another two cash account is here. Then write a buy purchase account in the credit side. So we write buy purchase account rupees 2 lakh. Then we check another two cash account here. So write it buy rent account in the credit side. Buy rent account rupees 17,000. So we write 17,000. Then we total the both. Here we have 2 lakh 3 lakh 70,000. Here we add 1,50,000 plus 2 lakh 3,50,000 plus 4 no 4,20,000. So total 4,20,000. Then here you have only a 3,70,000. So we balance the two credit and debit and credit account. So you write two balance credit rupees 2 equal the both value. Right, add 15,000. The total of the value is 4,20,000. The both values are equal. Then we move to the capital account, to Thor capital account. Here two account is a two balance credit rupees 2 lakh. Then we write 2 lakh. Another account buy cash account in the credit side. rupees 2 lakh. The total is 2 lakh. Then here also the total is 2 lakh. Then we move to the third ledger book is a bank account. Here the bank account. So to cash account here the 1,50,000. To cash account rupees 1,15,000. Here have no another bank account here. So we write a by balance credit rupees 1,50,000. Then total is 1,50,000. Here also total is 1,50,000. Both credits and debits are equal. Then go to the fourth book is a purchase book. Purchase ledger book. Here we have purchase ledger book. Sorry. To cash account rupees 2 lakh. Then by balance credit rupees also 2 lakh. So total is 2 lakh. Here also total is 2 lakh. Then we move to the fifth book of sales account. Here you have a sales account here. So write to balance credit rupees 1,70,000. So 1,70,000. Then write a by cash account rupees 1,70,000. Then total is 1,70,000. Here also total 1,70,000. Then we move to the rent account. Here is a rent account, to cash account. So to cash account rupees 70,000. Then where no other rent account, so write by balance credit 70,000. Then total is 70,000. And here also total is 70,000. The both of the debits and credits are equal total amount. So only the ledger book will be completed. Hi guys, you will understand the ledger book. If you have any doubt or any issues, kindly ask to me. I will clear it. Thank you.